welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make very simple application. Our first application, which would be Hello World application using Swift language for iPhone and iPad devices. So let's start. Open your Xcode. You should have any Xcode version like Xcode 7, Xcode 8. I have Xcode 8.2. So let's start with the Xcode 8.2. Okay. To create a new project, there is one option here. This is the option, create a new Xcode project. You have to just tap on this option and Xcode will create a new project for you. There are different templates available for iOS devices like single view application, master detail application, page based applications, tabbed applications, and sticker pack applications, iMessage applications. So for now, we are going to use single view application, which is because we are going to create very simple application which will just display a hello world message. So select single view application and tap on next. Now it will ask you for your product name, hello world. Okay, and you don't need to make adjustments to any other settings over here. One thing, you can change this identifier according to your organization identifier. So for now I'm not changing anything right now over here. You can change these settings uh, afterward as well. So tap on next. Okay, it will ask you to save your project. Okay, save. And here xcode has created projects for us, and it is displaying in the left panel. You can see all the listing of your files, folders, and assets. Okay, here are two folders, mainly two folders. One is hello world and other one is products. So our final product would be hello world.app. That is our final product. And hello world folder contains some files. This is called groups. So hello world group contains, as of now, contains two files, app delegate and view controller. App delegate is basically the file which is going to handle your application's life cycle. So here is your application's life cycle. When your application did finish launching, like your application has been launched for the first, like you tap on the app icon on the iPhone dock, and your application has been launched. This method will be called for the very first time, and afterward it come to did application did become active. Okay, and then it come to application will enter foreground. And like this, when you have pressed home button and your application is going to be into the background, then application will resign active and application did enter to background. And afterward, if your application has been terminated, then this method will be called, application will terminate. Okay, this is the life cycle of any iPhone application. So for this simple application, we don't have to change anything over here. We are going to view controller. Okay, there are two methods right now. One is view did load and other one is did receive memory warning. So view did load will be called when your application view controllers view will be loaded. Did load जब when your view will be loaded into the memory, this method will get called. So view did load method is the only method in the views life cycle that is called only once when your view is loaded into the memory. Afterward, it call view will appear, then view did appear. And it's not taking me to, oh yeah. So called after the view has been loaded for view controllers created in code. This is after load view. Okay, view did load call always calls for one time only, and view will appear is called every time whenever your view is going to be appear on the screen. Okay, let's start. How to make, how to show hello world application. uh, Go to, this is a main storyboard. Okay, open your main storyboard. You can see there's one view controller, and there is one view controller, and that is your main view controller. This is linked to the this class view controller. And main storyboard is basically your application's storyboard, which is define the flow and the connections of the view controllers with each other, the relation with each others, how they are interconnected with each other. So this is this. Okay, let's check what our application will display on iPhone. Just press command R or go to product and run. Okay, here's a simulator, iPhone 7 Plus simulator. So for now it's just showing a white screen only. Okay, tap this, hello world. Okay, this is the app name of our application, and we don't have any app icon as of now, because in the assets.exe assets there are only blank app icons as of now. So uh, our application will not show any icon. Okay, let's stop it and make some changes to the view controller. Okay, this is on the right side, there's identity inspector, where you can see all the options related to the view controller which is selected right now. So it shows according to the selection. So we can see some options over here. We can change these background color. Let's see how this works. Okay, very good. Run the application. It will be reflected in the device as well. Let's check this. Run it. Oh yeah, background color has been shown to us on the device as well. So here are the settings you have to make adjustments to show in the application. So I'm reverting it back to the default color. Okay, below this there is object library, which contains different controls like UI label. We are going to drag a label, drag one over here, and type your message whatever you want, resize it. Type your message like hello world, hello world. Okay, press enter. Okay, select this label, and you can see uh, all the attributes for the label. So text plain hello world. Okay, text color is by default is default black. Let's change this to other color, some different color like uh, green. Okay, purple. Okay, font. If you want to change fonts, you can change. Choose custom, and then you can choose any kind of fonts as per your requirements. Size W3, W6, and font size. Obviously, you can increase that as well. Done. Okay. Okay. Good. If you want to center this label, just select this label, and keep your mouse outside this label on any in on the main view, and press alt button. You will see spacing from all four sided, top, left, bottom, right. Okay, so let's make it center 96, 97. Okay, this is perfectly centered now. when your view is in the center, or you can say aligned, it shows some blue lines. Okay, if you notice this blue line means your view is horizontally center. Now let's try to make it, yeah, yeah. Now this is vertically center as well. Run your application and see, will this show your message? Yeah, perfect. What, why this is shown? Okay, perfect. As we have changed background color to default, it should be white. Okay, white. Run your application again. Yeah, perfect. Thanks, friends. This is our very simple first application using Swift language. We have not even added a single word of code as of now, but keep watching. We will. I'll very soon upload a second part of this application, and in which we will do some new things like write some code and make some changes to the UI level content and other things. I'll also tell you about auto layouts, and we will how to make constraints. We will learn how to make constraints and make all these things in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.